Hello guys! Today I have mix of €3 tickets. Hola a todos! Mais dia de luta, vamos jogar ganhar e ganhar. Hoje eu tenho mix nas raspadinhas. €12 sessão, ok? This is €12 session guys. Okay, let's start with the easiest ticket. These two are complicated, so let's start with this, okay? Recompensa or reward, we're looking for money bag in the main game. In the bonus area, we're looking for cacto, bonus y bonus 2. I'm gonna use Miss Money, dog tag, okay? I haven't win in this ticket on camera guys. Maybe today. I didn't buy also, so how I win? I didn't buy this ticket a lot, so that's explained. Okay, let's hope today we can find a win. Money bag, come on. B is what? BS? B for BS or what? We're looking for money bag in this area, guys. Come on, Miss Money. Money bag. And no, so this is not the winner. Okay, I haven't win in this ticket, guys. And then Pedimea, it's a matching symbols game, and 3 like amounts of money bag. We win that amount. I know. I'm lazy to explain, guys. Must be 3 like amounts of money bag. There's 1,500 every month, 10 years, 1,000, 5 years, 500, 2 years. Must be 3 like amount, okay? Gonna use M to M. We're looking for these 3 symbols. Duende, Moedas, Diamante, L, coins and diamond, obviously. Money bag must be 3. Okay, pata. I found a diamond, guys. Nice. This is the new version, so I found a win. Let's hope we can find more. I found a match, diamond, €3. Let's hope we can find more wins. Okay, come on, Duende, show up. Estrella, come on, give me more wins. I don't want €3. Money bag. So only one win, €3. Okay. €3. There's no Moedas, there's no Duende. So only €3. Okay, it's better than nothing. So I found a win. €3. 1,000, 1,500. Okay, they give me the lowest price available, of course. Okay, at least I found a win. Not so bad. Okay, let's go to this annoying ticket. Palabras sorturas or lucky words. Okay, and bonus. With bonus. Okay, Via. It's over it. V. There's no I. There's no. Okay, there's no. Let's go to bonus first. D. E. There's no I. Because the bonus is not the winner. Roa. There's no A. No A. Also. U. There's no S. Okay, so there's no S. No. There's no A. There's no S. There's no A. There's no A. There's no A or A in Portuguese. Ala. Linyu. L. There's no I, so this is not a winner. Okay, this is not a winner. Okay, only €3 so far. Let's hope these stingy tickets will give us a win. Gonna use Miss Money because it matches the color of the ticket. Código certo. Okay, so obviously our right code. Okay, I have to find all the numbers to win. No, numbers in Chugo Ohm. Game 1, 2, game 6. 46. I don't like this ticket because it takes long time. 46, no. But today I want to scratch all the €3 ticket. 21 y 50. No? Jesus. Ay, ticket. 19 y 51. 51. 19. 29 y 77. 29. 77. No. 29. 77. No. 12, 3. What's going on this ticket? There's no numbers. There's a lot of numbers, but there's no numbers. 12, 3. No. Jesus. 68 y 63. There's 51 here. Okay. 3. Jesus, I'm blind or what? I didn't see anything. Ay, Jessica, you're too old for this game. 61 y 41. 61. 41. 41 here. Okay. 41. 27 y 85. 37. 85. Okay. 84. I need 72 to win. Come on, Portugal 3. Give me 72. This size? This size? Cinco. No, I need 72. 27. No? 40. 40, I need 2 to win. There's no 2. 44. Ay, Jesus. Of course, not a winner. Ay. Takes a long time to know if it's a winner or not, but it's not a winner. I need 72, but there's no 72. I need 2, but there's no 2. Okay, so it's not a winner. This ticket is difficult to win. I was waiting for 72, but there's no 72. Okay, so all these three. That's why I don't like to buy €3 tickets, guys, because it's difficult to win. Okay, so I spent 12 and I got back €3. Diamond. I found the diamond. The lowest price available, of course. That's what Santa Casa do every day. If you don't lose your money, they give you coffee money or money back. Okay, so at least I found a win. I think it's could be worse. It could be worse, guys. Okay, spent 12, got 3. What else? Okay, so it's better than nothing, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos.